Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 1989 Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is packed to the gills with luxurious features, yet retains the off-road prowess and rugged, durable nature it's known for. The Land Cruiser's power comes exclusively from a 5.7-liter V8 that churns out 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tires, front, on-off-road, tires, rear, on-off-road, front disc rear drum brakes, power steering, rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, bucket seats, cloth seats, AM/FM stereo radio. Come see the car for yourself.